5 good SRBs. Hydraulic pressure at operational level. Vehicle is clear at the tower. Beginning pitch and roll programs. Engine operating as expected. Body rates look good. PU is on closed loop control. Engaging our first throttle segment. And completed pitch program. Engine continues to operate as expected. Hydraulics look good. Successfully completed roll program. Body rates are continue to look good. Mach 1, Atlas 5 is now supersonic. Throttling up as expected. Vehicle is now 5 miles in altitude, 2 miles downrange, continues to move down the center of the range track. Booster engine operating nominally. Now passing 1 minute into flight. Body rates are nominal. Engine continues to operate as expected. Throttling down, engine continues to burn normally. Vehicle is now moving at 2,700 miles an hour down the center of the range track. Vehicle is now 1/2 of its liftoff weight. Max Q passing through maximum dynamic pressure. And we have good indication of SRB burnout coming up on SRB jettison. Throttling up as expected. And we have good indication of separation of all 5 SRBs. Engine continues to burn normally. Vehicle is now on closed loop steering. Engine operating parameters look good. Atlas is now 37 miles in altitude, 43 miles downrange. Hydraulics continue to look good. Two minutes to nominal BECO. Body rates continue to look good. Engine operating as expected. Atlas is now 80 miles downrange, moving at 5,600 miles an hour. Holding acceleration at 2.5 Gs in preparation for payload fairing jettison. And vehicle is past the Kármán line. We've exited Earth's atmosphere. Atlas is now 1/4 of its liftoff weight. And Centaur reaction control system is pressurizing flight levels as expected. And we have good indication of payload fairing jettison and CFLR deck jettison. Engine continues to burn normally. Engine operating parameters continue to look good. 1 minute to BECO. RD-180 is now throttling to maintain its 3.4 G acceleration limit. Vehicle is now 193 miles downrange, continues to move down the center of the range track. Hydraulics continue to look good. Engine continues to burn as expected. 30 seconds to BECO. Boost base chill down in progress. Temperatures are operating as expected. Body rates continue to look good. PU has gone to open loop control as expected. Boost phase chill down complete. Temperatures operated as expected. And we have good indication of booster engine cutoff. And stage separation. Pre-start on fuel and locks, good staging. Ignition, and full thrust. RL-10 is running nominally. This will be just under 13-minute first burn. Steering has been enabled, and PU system has gone to fixed angles as expected. Engine continues to burn normally. And we're beginning our 3-second duty cycling as expected on the RCS system. Performing roll to teachers data. Engine operating parameters continue to look good. And we have MECO. And full thrust. Arlington is running nominally.